I'm here to do a little science experiment with you today. So this will be the first video of maybe several. I'm going to plant a lima bean seed in a plastic bag, and we're gonna put it against the window and see how it grows. So I'm gonna open up my lima beans. I'll show you what a lima bean looks like when it's a seed. So lima beans are a type of bean that people eat. They look like this. It's a little lima bean. They're white, kind of smooth feeling, but they're bumpy too. They're not rough at all, not scratchy, but they have like little divots in them. Oops, and they're slippery. All right, so I've got some lima beans. I've got 1, 2, 3 lima beans. I've got a paper towel, a plastic bag. I have some tape to stick it to the window with. And I'm gonna use this water from a spray bottle. You could use the sink or a cup of water to wet your paper towel. So I'm gonna take my lima beans and I'm gonna open up my bag. All right, I'll move this down here so you can better see me. There we go. All right, so I've got my lima beans and I've got my bag. And I'm gonna spray my water bottle, or spray the water bottle against the paper towel and get it nice and wet. Let's see if I can move back so you guys can see me too. There we go. So I sprayed my water all over paper towel, get it nice and wet, not dripping wet, but nice and damp. All right. And I'm gonna put, it's one long paper towel. I'm gonna fold it in half. And then I'm gonna fold it one more time, like this. So I could open it up and put those lima beans in there. So I'm gonna put my lima bean paper towel in the bottom of my plastic bag. And I'm gonna open it up. So it's like a little pocket. The paper towel's open up on both sides. I'm gonna drop my lima beans in there. There we go. And I'm gonna spread them out. And maybe I'll give it one more spray to make sure it's nice and moist, but I don't want it like really wet. I don't want to fill the bag with water. There we go. And I'm gonna close it up, make sure I seal it really tight, push some of the air out of it. And you can see our lima beans in there. So usually you plant seeds in dirt, but this is gonna be a fun way for us to see the parts of the lima bean growing. And they're gonna kind of use the paper towel as the medium or the soil to grow. And putting them against the window is gonna make the beans hot, and it's gonna warm them up so that a sprout pops out of them. It's basically gonna cook them up and tell them it's time to grow. So I'm gonna get my tape, get a piece ready. You could use any kind of tape that your parents are okay with you using. And I'm gonna find a sunny window or a window where I can see it and watch it grow. There we go. And we'll stick it up on the window and we'll do another video to see how my lima beans are growing. All right, so come with me. And we're gonna switch this around. All right, maybe not. All right, I'm gonna stick, there we go, my tape on the window. And now my lima beans are nice and moist. And you can see kind of the water in the bag and the paper towel, and the light shines through. We'll be able to see them growing. And when it gets really sunny again tomorrow, it's gonna heat those lima beans up. So I hope you tune into the next video, and I hope maybe you'll be able to try this experiment at your house. And I'm working on being able to send you guys some lima beans, paper towel, and a plastic bag, so you'll be able to make them at your house. All right, bye-bye, friends.